Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm only going to talk about holy ashes. Only holy ashes. What can holy ashes do for you? What you can do when you're using holy ashes. Firstly, you can add it in your water when you are cleaning your household. It protects against the evil spirits. It chases away the bad energy out of your house. When you are cleaning, you just add a tablespoon of holy ashes in the water. When you are mopping your house, then clean your house with the holy ashes. It will show you wonders. Things will change in your life. If in your house, if you people in that house were having arguments, the arguments are going to stop, you guys. Things are going to be much better in your house. You can also even use it together with the rough salt in your house and then clean with holy ashes and rough salt. You'll start seeing differences. Normalize having holy ashes in your life, in your home. Every time when you are doing anything, make sure you are having holy ashes. You can rinse yourself, starting from the older person to the younger kid. Every time when you are cleaning, when you are washing yourself, you can add holy ashes. Even if for the kids, even if there is a soap, because you cannot bath your kids, then after 5 minutes you rinse them with another water. It's still fine. You can even use it with this water and soap for the kids, you guys, because you're not going to talk much. But for you need a clean water so that you can speak and command these holy ashes to do whatever you want it to do, you guys, for yourself. You can also even put it on the clean pot on the stove and just burn it. The smoke of the holy ashes in the house can also chase away the bad spirit, you guys. The bad energy can be out of you guys' life. And then you can even put it in your shoes for every time you step out of your house. You need to be safe, you need to be protected, because you don't know what they put on the street using your name for you to step on it when you are going to pass, because people are very capable of everything, you guys. People are so evil. People are fighting if you're not fighting them. People are busy out there. So you put the holy ashes in your shoes every time you step out of your house. You'll be protected and safe. You rinse yourself every time with holy ashes when you have to go anywhere, whether you're going to work on a daily basis, except for the ladies when you're on a period, except for the everyone when you are busy with your partner. It's whereby you don't touch the holy ashes. But rather than that, you can use it on a daily basis, you guys. Sometimes you can just put it in the water, glass of water. You put a teaspoon of holy ashes and then you drink that water, you guys. Then you start to see differences in your life. You're going to be protected from many things, you guys. Just go to the Muti shop, ask for holy ashes. You see the small one is as cheap as 9 rand in South Africa. Just go to the Muti shop, ask for the people that are working there just to show you the holy ashes. They are going to give you something like this. It's very cheap. With 10 rand you can get yourself this small one. I was just gonna share you, if you're having a problems, whether it's at work and everywhere, just put holy ashes. Depend you are angry or depend you are happy. If you are happy, you are looking for something that is going to be positive in your life, you put the holy ashes, the teaspoon of holy ashes on your right hand, face the sunrise direction, you blow it for the good things. If you are having something that is heavy in your heart, you don't want it anymore, you put it on your left hand, you face the sunset direction, you guys. You speak for your mind and you blow it. This is the power of holy ashes, you guys. The little bit I share with you, you're still going to get more of these types of video. Until my next upload, let me love and leave you. Bye guys.